If you're in the market for a Jeep Grand Cherokee, this is the one for you. This is a 2016 75th anniversary. This is a really clean Jeep. Power windows, locks, mirrors, leather interior, has digital and analog gauges, leather wrapped steering wheel with hands-free controls, has the 7-inch Uconnect stereo with navigation, color backup camera, dual climate control features, panoramic moonroof. In the back, you have plenty of room for your passengers, high back seats. In your cargo area, you have a factory subwoofer and charging port. Power lift gate.